How to clear search history on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. To delete or clear your YouTube search history on mobile, iOS or Android, follow these steps. First, open your YouTube mobile app and tap on magnifying glass at the top right to view your recent searches. Next, go back and tap your profile picture at the bottom right. Then click on the gear icon to access app settings. Select Your Data in YouTube, then choose YouTube Search History to manage and delete specific searches or clear all searches from a specific time range or all time. After completing these steps, you'll have successfully removed all searches from your YouTube history on your iPhone or Android devices. This is how you can clear search history on YouTube. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.